guys, I'm drunk, I'm Candice. I'm drunk, I'm Candice, and this is Drunk Science. Today's topic is density. Drunk Science! Fun science trick first. We're gonna go and fill one shot glass with whiskey. Keep it here. It's so full. I can do this. Look at me doing it. Okay. You want to fill it. Surface tension. And then we're filling our next shot glass with water. Boo for not being whiskey. I'm really good at pouring water. That seems really full. I'm just gonna help myself, guys. Oh, that is good whiskey. That's good whiskey, guys. Okay, not the point. All right, here we go. This needs more whiskey. I'm a pouring wizard, guys. Today we're talking about density. So we have a shot of whiskey and we have a shot of water. So we're gonna put this handy dandy, non-porous Drunk Science playing card on top of the water. This is a really great party trick, by the way. This is like, if you want to impress the fellas or the ladies or anyone in between, do this shit at a party. The card goes on top, so I'm just gonna put my hand completely over the top like this. And go! Okay, so you're gonna try to line the lips up and then move your Drunk Science playing card. Oh shit, we're gonna watch science happen. Holy shit! That's really awesome! Holy shit! I can say that because this is a show for adults. Why is this happening, guys? Because basically water is heavier than whiskey, meaning whiskey is less dense than water. And so they are going to switch places because of gravity. And the lighter fluid is going to float to the top and the heavier fluid is going to float to the bottom. Just like with this oil and water. What is this? Rebecca, what is this?
A sensory bottle.
It's a bottle. Just like with this bottle. There is oil.
Yes.
And there's water. And you shake them up and it's like, oh, what's gonna happen? Nothing. See, the oil is gonna stay at the top. You see with the food coloring that we just so lovingly put in here that they're gonna stay separated, and the oil is gonna stay at the top and the water is gonna stay at the bottom because water weighs more. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everybody in between. Cool science for your mind. But let's take my drunk ass a step further. What will happen if we add a third ingredient, which science likes to do all the time because it is a cruel motherfucker? We're gonna mix 1 part oil with 1 part agua. Put it right up to 50. Okay, so that's what we expected, right? We're seeing the same separation, but if we add a little bit of detergent, what's gonna happen? It's the days of our lives, guys. I'm gonna mix the two because as you see, the detergent sunk right to the bottom. Basically, it mixed into one mixture. The detergent is attracted to both oil and water. There's one end that is hydrophobic. It doesn't like water. It's like ill water. And then there is the other end that's hydrophilic, which is like, oh my God, water. It loves water, guys. I also love water, although you couldn't tell by how drunk I am. And so it makes water and oil be friends. This is why detergent works so well with your oily clothes in like the washing machine and stuff, because it takes the oil off of your clothes, it gets into the water just like this detergent. That's why detergent works so well. That is hard science, guys. You really should go ahead and thank Tide while you're already on the internet. You should thank Tide. You should be like, thank you, Tide, for hydrophobic and hydrophilic detergents that help me not stink. These two forming is what we call an emulsion, which is basically two things that won't mix, and you make a mix. It's like when you were fighting with your little brother, your asshole little brother who cut up your laundry hamper because he's a dick, and your parents was like, you guys are gonna talk, and she made you guys sit in a room and like hug each other and wear the unity shirt, which is a big shirt from your fat dad that you guys both have to fit into. That is detergent. That's what's happening. Guys, this has been an episode of Drunk Candice Doing Science. I'm kidding. This is Drunk Science with Candice, which is me, who is also drunk, so I understand how it could be confusing for you. If you want to see me do more hard science while drinking hard liquor, then please donate, because science is cool and drinking is cool and I am cool. So there's no losing. If you are not a cool person, subscribe and you'll be a cool person. I guarantee it. Drinking is science, by the way. It's chemistry and a little bit of biology. So, okay guys, I'm gonna go throw up. Bye.